Solve equations involving decimals. Pause the video and have a go at examples 17 and 18. Example 17. Solve 1.6x equals 24. So we've got a number of x's there. We want to have 1x. So to go from 1.6x to 1x, you need to divide by the number of x's. So we're going to divide by 1.6. And what we do to one side, we do to the other side. So it balances out. So we have 24 divided by 1.6, and that would give 15. Example 18. Solve 2.6x minus 1.5 equals 3.96. We want to begin by removing the minus 1.5. So we need to add 1.5 to both sides. If we do that, on the left-hand side, we would get 2.6x. The minus 1.5 is gone. And then on the right-hand side, we've got 3.96 plus 1.5, which is 5.46. And then you divide by the number of x's, which in this case is 2.6. So we need to get x, we do 5.46 divided by 2.6, and that would give 2.1.